Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share the latest and coolest developments in technology. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a new tool that Microsoft has introduced for finance teams called Copilot for Finance. This is a part of the Microsoft 365 suite, and it follows the successful launches of Copilot for Sales and Service, which are also AI-powered tools that help sales and service teams work smarter and faster. So, what is Copilot for Finance and how does it work? Well, Copilot for Finance is designed to automate and streamline the workflows of finance professionals, who often feel overwhelmed by their operational tasks and the pressure to contribute strategically to their organizations. Copilot for Finance offers smart recommendations, automates routine tasks, and provides guided actions, all within the familiar Microsoft productivity apps that finance teams use every day, such as Excel, Outlook, and more. Copilot for Finance leverages data from ERP systems in the Microsoft Graph, which is a network of data and intelligence that connects Microsoft 365 apps and services. By using AI, Copilot for Finance can provide contextual financial operations insights, such as cash flow, revenue, expenses, profitability, and more. Copilot for Finance can also help finance teams collaborate better with other departments, such as sales and service, by providing a unified view of the customer journey and the financial impact. Some of the features that Copilot for Finance offers include simplifying variance analysis and reconciliation in Excel. Copilot for Finance can help finance teams quickly identify and explain the differences between actual and expected results, such as budget versus actual, forecast versus actual, and more. Copilot for Finance can also help finance teams reconcile data from different sources, such as bank statements, invoices, receipts, and more. Copilot for Finance can do all this through natural language prompts, such as reconcile the data from source A and source B. Copilot for Finance can then automate the data comparison, guide the troubleshooting, and provide explanations and suggestions, speeding up collections in Outlook. Copilot for Finance can help finance teams improve their cash flow and reduce their days sales outstanding (DSO) by automating the collections process. Copilot for Finance can monitor the payment status of customers, send timely and personalized reminders, track responses and actions, and escalate issues when needed. Copilot for Finance can also help finance teams negotiate payment plans, offer discounts or incentives, and resolve disputes, all within Outlook, transforming data into presentation-ready reports. Copilot for Finance can help finance teams create and share professional and engaging reports that showcase their financial performance and insights. Copilot for Finance can help finance teams select the best data visualization, format, and layout for their reports, and also generate summaries and highlights. Copilot for Finance can also help finance teams export their reports to PowerPoint, Word, or PDF and share them with their stakeholders, such as managers, executives, investors, or auditors. These are just some of the features that Copilot for Finance offers, and there are many more that you can explore and customize according to your needs and preferences. Copilot for Finance is not only a tool, but also a partner that can help finance teams work more efficiently, effectively, and strategically. So, what are you waiting for? If you are a finance professional or you work with finance teams, you should definitely check out Copilot for Finance and see how it can help you and your organization achieve more. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it informative and useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of Copilot for Finance, or if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.